Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to MLT DEC0DE. This is the Biochemistry MCQs playlist and the next 10 best MCQs on the glycolysis pathway. So let's start. In cancer cells, there is how much uptake of glucose occur? Increased glucose uptake, decreased glucose uptake, moderate glucose uptake or none? The right answer is increased glucose uptake is the right. Next is how much ATP used for activation of glucose from glycogen in glycolysis? 12 ATP, 8 ATP, 2 ATP or none? The right is none, because first glycogen is converted into glucose 1-phosphate and then to glucose 6-phosphate, and this require no use of ATP, so there is no ATP involved. Next is hexokinase, phosphofructokinase and pyruvate kinase enzymes are reversible steps in glycolysis, irreversible steps in glycolysis, reversible steps in TCA cycle, irreversible steps in TCA cycle. So the right answer is irreversible steps in glycolysis. Next is what is the end product of glycolysis in anaerobic condition? Acetyl-CoA, pyruvate, lactate or none? The right answer is lactate. Next is hexokinase and glucokinase enzymes add which group to glucose in glycolysis? Carboxyl group, amino group, phosphate group and nitrogen group. The right answer is phosphate group. Next is Pyruvate Dehydrogenase Complex, only found in cytoplasm, mitochondria, vacuoles and endoplasmic reticulum. The right answer is mitochondria. Next is hormone glucagon inhibit hepatic glycolysis by mechanism dephosphorylation of pyruvate kinase, phosphorylation of pyruvate kinase, dephosphorylation of lactate dehydrogenase, phosphorylation of lactate dehydrogenase. The right answer is phosphorylation of pyruvate kinase. Next is glucokinase enzyme of glycolysis only present in skeletal muscles, brain, liver and in pancreas. Right is liver. Next is glycolysis pathway, often referred to as HMP pathway, glycogenolysis, Embden-Meyerhof pathway and all of these. Right is Embden-Meyerhof pathway. Next is due to high affinity of which enzyme in glycolysis pathway glucose uptake and utilization occur even at low concentration in plasma? Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, glucokinase, hexokinase and pyruvate kinase. Right answer is hexokinase. Dear students, please like, subscribe and share our channel MLT DEC0DE. Allah Hafiz.